viewers, greetings to all of you. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the difference between kw, kva and kvar. First of all, look at this vector diagram. Here blue line of this triangle indicates apparent power and red perpendicular line indicates reactive power. Black line indicates active power. Here look at this chart. In this first column, on resistive load is connected with a source. When current flows through a resistance, then we can call it active power or real power. It is formed by multiplying voltage and flowing current. When we apply it in small devices, then it is watt only, and when we apply it in bigger device, then it is kilowatts. 1000 watts equal to 1 kilowatts. Usually in our house energy meter shows unit as kWh, where k equal to kilo, w equal to watts and h equal to hour. It means if 1000 watts or 1 kilowatt consumed in 1 hour, then it is called 1 unit. Here in the second column, two load is connected. One is resistive and another one is capacitive load. In place of capacitor, here can be an inductor. When current flows through both resistance and capacitor or inductor, then it is called apparent power. VA is formed by multiplying voltage and ampere. 1000 VA equal to 1 kVA. Here in this column, capacitor and inductor are connected as a load. When current flows through only capacitor and inductor, or then it is called reactive power. VAR is formed by multiplying voltage and current. 1000 VAR equal to 1 kVAR. Look here, a resistance is connected with a source, and here yellow line is power, red is voltage and blue is current. Here red and blue both are in plus, so plus into plus equal plus, and here voltage current are both in minus, so minus into minus equal to plus, so power is always in plus. Here a inductor is connected with a AC source. Look here, in this diagram it is time based instantaneous value. Here green color sine wave indicates power, red color indicates voltage and blue color is current. You can see power is on the both plus and minus side. If we use capacitor instead of inductor, then this blue line will reverse. Once again, look at this diagram. Apparent power S equal to under root P square plus Q square. Power factor equal to cos phi or P by S. Phi is the angle made by P and S. P equal to S cos phi, Q equal to S sin phi. Sometimes S can be greater than P or equal. Suppose S equal to 1000 and power factor 0.8. Then look what will be the value of P. P equal to S cos phi. Here value of S is 1000 and power factor or cos phi value is 0.8. So 1000 into 0.8 equal to 800. So here it is clear that 800 is less than 1000. Here I have shown resistance and capacitor are connected with on source, and in both 10 ampere current is flowing. Here in resistive load, power is 100 into 10 equal to 1000 watt or 1 kilowatt, and in capacitive load, power is 100 into 10 equal to 1000 VAR or 1 kVAR. According to formula, S equal to under root 1000 square plus 1000 square equal to 1414 VA or 1.414 kVA. Power factor equal to active power by apparent power equal 1000 by 1414 equal to 0.7, and here total current flowing is I equal to under root 10 square plus 10 square equal to 14.14 ampere. And one more thing, here in place of capacitor it could be inductor. It is same matter. Here with on source, resistance, capacitor and inductor, the three are connected together. We can see in resistance 1 kilowatt load, in capacitor 1 kVAR and in inductor 1 kVAR, and thus unity power factor has formed. Capacitor and inductors nature is always opposite, they cancel each other and only active power persists. So friends, this is all I could provide you. Here in this video everything is not possible to show. If you have any query, then ask me, I will provide you in my another video. If you feel good about my video, then please like me, subscribe me. Goodbye.